Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with both the form and sheet open so you can link them immediately. First, in the form, go to Responses, then click the three-dot menu and pick Select Response Destination. Choose Existing Spreadsheet if you already have one, or create a new spreadsheet for a clean set of responses. Make sure you note which sheet tab will receive answers. This avoids overriding important data. Once done, confirm the selection so the form writes directly to that sheet moving forward. Now align the sheet so incoming data flows cleanly. Check the header row. Form question titles must match the sheet's column labels to keep order predictable. Minor edits in the form update headers automatically. Next, set sharing. Invite collaborators on the sheet with editor access only if they need to view or manage responses. Don't insert or delete linked columns manually. Instead, add new questions in the form so Google maintains the mapping. Finish by running live tests. Submit several sample responses to confirm each answer lands in the expected column and that timestamps populate. If you use settings like limit to one response or allow edit after submit, make sure those behave as intended. If something goes wrong, for example entries stop appearing, reopen the form's responses menu and reselect the destination spreadsheet. Then confirm the sheet's sharing hasn't changed. One quick troubleshooting tip. Check that the Google account owning the form still has edit access to that spreadsheet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.